Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to clip layers in Krita. So for example, we have here this one image inserted as a new layer in project, and now we need to insert a new layer. So I click on this one plus icon and new paint layer will be successfully created here. Then we need to draw something in this one layer, so I go to ellipse tool, and for example I'll draw here a simple ellipse. Maybe I will add ellipse here too, and maybe I will add a new ellipse here too. So now we need to group these layers, so I click on first layer, then I press and hold shift on the keyboard, and I select second layer. We need to click right mouse button here, we need to go to group, and we need to select here quick group. Let's check if your paint layer is above the second layer. It is very important, because now if you will click on this one icon, the layers will be clipped. Everything because we change alpha settings, so it is how it works. Of course you can disable this effect by clicking here if you want. Everything depends on your preferences, or you can get another effect by clicking on alpha here. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.